Good day everyone, this is 124, your certified kupal, nagbabalik. At syempre, marami siguro sa inyo ang nakamiss dahil matagal akong walang post or wala akong update na videos. And syempre, dahil medyo na-busy tayo sa mga maraming iba't ibang gawain, kaya hindi tayo nakapag-update ng tungkol sa recruitments and sa Bureau of Corrections. And today, we will discuss key facts about Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm. And alam natin na Sablayan Prison Penal Farm is one of the 7 operating prison and penal farm here in the Philippines. So, let's go!
Bro, kupal tots, masakit pero may saysay. Tinutulungan ko kahit minsan mahirap tanggapin. Okay, buko, mission, vision, and everything in between. Pero wag mag-alala, nandyan ako to guide you, di ka iwan. Hey! Oh! Di ka
Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm is located at Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro, and considered one of the largest prison and penal farm here in the Philippines. Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm, or widely known as Colonia, pagdating sa Sablayan, ang tawag dito ay Colonia. It covers almost 16,000 hectares of vast agricultural land, rich in forest, lakes, and different natures and views. Colonia is known for its farm-based rehabilitations like agriculture, aquaculture, and other farm-based activities for persons deprived of liberty. Dito, makikita nyo ang mga kuluno, ang mga PDL na nasa minimum sentence ay malayang nakakagalaw sa loob ng kolonya, nagtatanim, nangingisda, nag-aalaga ng hayop, at tinuturuan ng iba't ibang skills para sa kanilang paglaya sa malayang lipunan. Persons deprived of liberty or ang mga kolono here in Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm or dito sa Colonia produces products like vegetables, rice, mais, and fruits to support inmates living and government local industry. At sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm ay mayaman at may pinagmamalaking mga magagandang tanawin tulad ng Aruyan Falls, Siburan River Park and Siburan Rainforest, Libao Lake and Mama Mary Grotto na pwedeng-pwede para sa mga namamasyal at gustong bumisita sa Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm. Colonia or Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm focuses on skills development for persons deprived of liberty upang ihanda sila na maging kapaki-pakinabang kapag bumalik sila sa malayang lipunan. They are also providing PDL or mga kuluno trainings like livelihood trainings from TESDA and alternative learning system for formal and non-formal educations. Hindi lang yan, marami pang iba. Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm is operated under the Bureau of Correction, which is directly under the Department of Justice. Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm is a place where discipline meets rehabilitation and shaping second chances through productive living of persons deprived of liberty. Once again, ako si 124, ang iyong certified kupal. Nagpapaalala, pag corrections officer ka na, huwag kang kupal.
Bro, kupal tots, masakit pero may saysay. Tinutulungan ko kahit minsan mahirap